we're going to continue to go a little bit deeper on how you bring your unique value to your customer using the blue ocean canvas. So a blue ocean would be one where there are not a lot of sharks already feeding. Where there are a lot of sharks already feeding, that might be called a red ocean. And in the realm of business, we are all trying to look for our particular blue ocean. There's a good book out there called Blue Ocean Strategy that I might recommend if you wanted to go deeper on this concept. So in particular, the blue ocean canvas will look something like this. And you'll notice on this graph that the red curve is the one where there are the red dots that stop short of the end of the graph on the horizontal axis, and the blue curve is one that continues, and those added points are points of differentiation where you've built some new kind of unique value compared to your competitors. And we'll go a little bit more in depth with an example. So one really wonderful example of an organization that the blue ocean canvas is useful to expand our thinking on is Southwest Airlines. I don't know how familiar you are with them, but they were the original low-cost airline that didn't do things with frills. And what they were looking to do actually was change their competition. So they were looking to change who they were competing with in the world of transportation, not just in the world of air transportation. So when we look here, we have three lines or dot points with connecting lines across the graph, and the red one is representative of your typical airline. The blue one is what Southwest Airlines is, and the purple dotted line is actually car transportation. So Southwest was looking to create a space for themselves where they were competing against car transportation as well. So the axis across the bottom there, the horizontal axis, you will see a number of different competition points that include price on the far left, and then meals, lounges, seating class choices, hub connectivity, and friendly service, speed, and frequent point-to-point departure, and then there's also some possible new factor listed here that is not yet leveraged. But on the point of price, you will see that Southwest Airlines situated itself way below your average airline and just slightly above what it would cost to drive to some place. And then all of the other metrics in there are important for sure. We're seeing where Southwest Airlines is providing less meals and lounges and seating classes and hub connectivity than your average airline. And then when we get over to the metric of friendly service and speed, then Southwest is differentiating themselves by providing more friendly service and speedier service than other airlines, and they built what they were doing on that, on those dimensions, as well as they did something different, something that was really unique in the time that they started this. Now there are other airlines doing the same thing, Allegiant and Spirit Airlines, for instance, but they are the first to go with frequent point-to-point departure. And they made really good on all of that, for sure. So as you start to delve into your own business model canvas, hopefully this will help you kind of understand how it comes together and how it can be really useful for you to see your venture compared to other competition. And also, I think this is really helpful in us understanding that competition might not be the apples to apples kind of competition that we are normally thinking about.